Okay, we are recording.
Please welcome to the field from Cartersville, Georgia, the Cass High School Marching Band. The band is under the field command of drum majors Destiny Smith and Leah Hall. Cass's 2021 field production is entitled Invasion and includes selections from Interstellar Suite by Amin Bhatia, music from the movie Contact by Alan Silvestri, and Kashmir by Led Zeppelin. Drum majors, is your band ready?
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, can you hear me? We are currently on the scene of where it appears a large meteorite-like object has crashed down just moments ago, about 40 miles outside of Atlanta, Georgia. The crash seemed to be nothing but tremendous. I wish I could convey the atmosphere of what I'm seeing. Something's happening now. Something within inside the object itself. It's moving! It's moving! Human-like creatures, our theory. The creatures seem extraterrestrial. One after the other, after the other. Ladies and gentlemen, this may be the most terrifying thing I have ever witnessed. It is evident to us now that we are in the midst of an invasion. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a grave announcement to make. Incredible as it may seem, both the observations of science and the evidence of our eyes lead to the inescapable assumption that those strange beings who landed tonight are the vanguard of an invading army from the planet Mars.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Cass High School Marching Band. The band is under the direction of Sam Iddings. Assistant Band Director Alex Shine. Color Guard Director Nick Doyle. Color Guard Staff Raymond Ruiz. Additional support includes front